how to complete KYC on Phonepe. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can complete your KYC on Phonepe. So in order to complete your KYC on Phonepe, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Phonepe app. After you're logged in, click the profile icon located in the top left hand side corner. As you click on it, it's going to take you to the Phonepe wallet. The interface is going to look like this. In order to begin with the KYC procedure, you'll have to provide either one of these information. So select the one that you wish to upload it, and next page you'll have to submit the information such as your PAN card number, your PAN holder name, and all sort of things. After you've done with entering the information, click the submit button. Sometimes for the verification purpose, you might also be asked to take a picture of your documents, so make sure to take a clear picture and submit the photo. And within no time, you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've completely verified your Phonepe app. So in that way, you can verify your Phonepe app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.